Let's begin with the first skill. So I'm planning to learn surfing, and I am in this beautiful of a country called Costa Rica. I'm in a small town called Jaco, which is on the western side of Costa Rica. And the reason I chose Jaco is because it's a place where you can learn surfing. The waves are not too big. It's perfect for beginners as well. And Costa Rica is very, very popular for learning surfing. Here's a small glimpse of the apartment that I'm going to be staying at. First day of surfing school. I've taken some lessons in this place called Tico's Surfing School, and it's in Jaco. It's about like 20 minutes from my Airbnb. Today's my first day. They have asked me to just do one lesson first and see how I feel, and after that I can continue with more classes too. How do I feel? I feel a little nervous, I feel a little excited, but getting into the ocean, getting into the sea, let's see if I can stand up first and then maybe catch a wave. I don't expect me to catch a wave on the first day, but who knows? Miracles happen, 2021 is here, so let's see if we have miracles or not. So let's go ahead, let's see what first day brings, and yeah, let's try this. Let's try this surfing thing. The lesson is finished. These are my first thoughts. I was able to catch a lot of waves. I was able to stand up couple of times. I think there were really good pictures by this freelancer. His name is Adan. He's from Venezuela. So hopefully the pictures came out good. Feel pretty happy, a little scared still because it's still the ocean, but I think it's a great start to this journey of learning surfing. This place, my surf instructor, Jay, that's his name, he's fantastic as well, very patient, very explains things in a very simple way. So I'm excited. This is the first day, and my plan is to take a couple of classes and then slowly improve on surfing. So first day, I would rate it as a success. More of a reflection time now. So especially with surfing, I believe like the three things that I learned today was first was breathing, second the correct posture, and number three is core strength. So let me explain a little bit more into why these three things are important, at least for a beginner surfer. So when you're in the ocean, when you see, or when you're in the sea, no pun intended, you do feel a little scared. You get a little anxious because you have these waves coming at you, and you sometimes might freak out and you don't know what to do. You might lose control. And in those moments, our body kind of crumples down, and it just makes you do things that are not natural. So it's not an easy thing to do, but taking a deep breath or just breathing slowly when you're surfing, it's like such a crucial aspect of just learning surfing. The second I said was posture. So posture is very important because that's how you control control the board and how you connect the board to the water to your body itself. This is getting a little spiritual, philosophical, but there's all these connections. Just being able to stand correctly, having your strong leg, maybe I think not vertical to the board, but horizontal to the board. That's an important part, and that's how you get control of the board and be able to move around. And the third part, which is strength, physical strength. So lots of time when you're in the ocean, you have to paddle. You have to paddle quickly, sometimes strongly, sometimes fast. Sometimes fast, yes. And you need to have your upper body strong. And if you don't have that, that's going to be difficult for you to be able to learn surfing as well. So it's very, very crucial to maybe do push-ups and maybe do other upper body strength, upper body exercises, or maybe even core exercises too. So yeah, those are the three main aspects I would say that I learned today: breathing, posture, and just physical strength. And then hopefully next week I will explain a couple of more things that are needed as well. But overall, today was a fantastic day. Caught some waves, was able to stand up, and enjoyed being near the water. So let's keep on learning and let's keep on surfing.